Hello, my loves. It's your girl, Gabrielle Reyes. Y'all know me as One Great Vegan, and y'all know I'm absolutely obsessed with what? Potatoes. Okay, so y'all know, of course, this week I had to cook up some deep fried accordion potatoes, dipping gorgeous goddess sauce, paired alongside this gorgeous green goodness, zesty, fresh, fabulous, and incredibly vegan. So let's get in the kitchen, y'all. Let's get going, let's get glowing, and let's make ourselves some taters.
Deep fried accordion potatoes, dipping gorgeous goddess sauce. Deep fried accordion potatoes. Skin and chop the two ends off. Use your knife to cut it vertical. Flip it around, then cut diagonal. Fry 'em up, they're golden brown. Blend your sauce, the flavor's going down. Fresh herbs and lemon juice, it's all mixing in. Each and every bite of these potatoes is a win.
I have some potatoes right here, and all I've done is I've just skinned my potatoes. This one I've already chopped the two ends off. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna get some large potatoes, large white potatoes, and just skin it to the best of your abilities. Get out any pieces that might seem like they're kind of rotten or anything like that. Make sure you are storing your skinned up potatoes in ice cold water as you work on your accordion shape. I have my potato right here. First thing you're gonna wanna do is cut the two ends off. And y'all, you best believe we can fry these little pieces up. Get a little salt, get a little pepper. Ooh, just little fried circles of goodness. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut out the size and thickness of about a piece of toast. So that's how I like to judge my thickness of my rectangle I have created, just like that. And this is what we're gonna shape into the accordion. As you can see, it's about the thickness of toast, just like that. And what's fierce too, y'all, we get to use all of these pieces because they have the exact same kind of thickness. Okay, y'all, I got some skewers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place the skewers on the top and the bottom of my potato. Get your knife right here, and first you're gonna cut it vertically. And what the skewers are doing, they are preventing you from chopping all the way down into the potato. Because of course, if you chopped all the way down in the potato, you would have French fries. You wouldn't have accordion potato. So that's what the skewers are doing to help on out. So check it out. There we go, our first chop. As you can see, look at her, she's already moving and grooving and doing what she do. So now I'm gonna flip it the other way around. Same thing with the skewers, one on top, one on bottom. Chop it diagonally. Whoa, chop it diagonally. Whoa, look at that. You see that? Y'all see that? There's the accordion right there. And I'm gonna get a skewer up in her because she's cute, she's perfect. She's gonna give it a nice little twist. Deep fried accordion potatoes, stick a skewer into the potato. It's time to stick it into the potato so you can fry it up. All right, oh, snap. Let's give her a little twist. You know what I'm saying? Okay, girl, she is cute. My loves, it is time to fry up our accordion potatoes. Make sure you are getting your oil nice and hot while you're working on your potatoes. And now y'all, all we gotta do is deep fry these babies up. We got some hot oil right here. This is grapeseed oil in here, my favorite oil to fry up in, y'all. Grab your chopped up accordion potatoes and dunk them in this deep frying oil right here. Ooh, crisp. I love to hear that crisp, that crackle. Ooh, nice and hot. Let these fry on up until they are golden brown on all sides, my love. You'll start to be able to see them crisp up and just get so crunchy and delicious. You're gonna need some fresh lemon juice, some green onion, cilantro, jalapeno. Get yourself some basil. Ooh, dill. The dill. Oh, and of course, mint. We're also going to be adding in some soy-free Veganaise, a little splash of some salt, blend it all together, and there you go, your gorgeous goddess sauce. And oh, every bite, every taste is so fresh, along with that crispy, crunchy, just good fried up goodness from the potatoes. So let's get this up in our blender and let's make ourselves some gorgeous goddess sauce, okay? So today for this recipe, we're gonna be using Follow Your Heart Soy-Free Veganaise as the main creamy element to get it nice and just decadently delicious. Ah, there she goes. Perfect. Awesome. Check out all of these herbs and spices we are using today. First thing I'm going to add in here is some fresh dill. Get that up in there. Ooh, and then the mint, of course. I love dill and mint together. So good. And I can already smell it. Just going into my nostrils. Basil. Basil. I like a lot of basil, if you can't tell. Get that in there. And then that cilantro. We're balancing out all the different herbs, y'all. And make sure to get those leaves in there too. That's what has all that flavor, that seasoning, that spice. Get that cilantro up in there, deep into your blender, y'all. Green onions, of course. Give these a little chop right here. Look, boom, that's all you gotta do. Just use your hands to cut it apart. And then add that into your blender. And y'all, you best believe you know I use this sauce on chips, for nachos, for tacos, quesadillas, for toast, on potatoes of all forms, sweet, purple, yams, anything. This sauce is just gorgeous, green, and good in all forms. So I suggest y'all make this sauce with me, okay? My jalapeno, my whole jalapeno, nice and fresh, going into my blender. And next, let's add in some fresh lemon juice. Ooh, a nice little bit of acidity in there. Yes, perfect. Last thing to add in here is our salt. Add in a splash, I would say no more than 2 teaspoons of salt. And then let's blend it up, my loves. Okay, she should be done by now, y'all. That was like a full minute of blending, so I have faith in her. Let's see how she be. Oh, yeah, she is so creamy. She looks delicious. And check it out. I have a cute little bowl here. I'm just gonna pour this on in. Yes. Gorgeous goddess sauce. Gorgeous, green, good, delicious, just, ooh, and like I said, you can put chips, anything you need. Put this on your vegan eggs. I could just spoon this up. Literally just, spoon it up into my mouth, y'all. Y'all see that? Deep fried accordion potatoes, dipping gorgeous goddess sauce. Y'all, check out this deep fried accordion potato. She is crispy on all sides, my loves. That means it's about time to plate things up and dip it into our delicious green, gorgeous goddess sauce, y'all. I have a plate right here with some paper towel. You can also use a normal towel if you want to. And this is gonna help make sure all of that oil, that excess oil, drips on off of this. And then we can splash on some salt, my loves. Check it out. We have our deep fried, accordion potatoes. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna splash over a little bit of my flaky salt, just like that, my loves. Add in a little splash of salt, and then it's time to dig on in. Y'all, check it out. Our deep fried accordion potatoes with our gorgeous green goddess sauce. I'm gonna get myself a bite, y'all. I'm gonna just have to dip something in that gorgeous goddess sauce because I already know she's delicious. Good. Golly gumdrops, it's so good. Fried potatoes, y'all. Fried potatoes. check out this incredible dish we have created here today. Y'all saw how simple and easy it is to create a colorful creation, a vibrantly vegan meal, and all you need are a simple few ingredients, my loves. Go to onegreatvegan.com, get yourself a copy of my musical cookbook, Colorful Home Cooking with Gabrielle Reyes. Y'all also be sure to check me out on Access Daily, Food Network, as well as all the other appearances your girl's about to be making. And I cannot wait to see y'all up in my kitchen cooking up something that is so incredibly epic, flavor-tastic, and rainbow-tacular. Until then, my loves, don't forget to sing your song, do your dance, and speak your truth. Goodbye, my loves. Goodbye.